In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to your favorites on Temu. If you're someone who loves browsing for products online and wants a quick way to save those must-have items for later, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the simple steps to make your shopping experience even more enjoyable. First, you need to access Temu. Open your preferred web browser or app and navigate to the Temu platform. If you don't have an account yet, now would be a great time to sign up. It's a straightforward process that will allow you to make the most of the platform's features. Once you're logged in and ready, you're set to explore. Now, let's move on to finding the item you'd like to save. You can either browse through various categories or use the search bar to pinpoint exactly what you're after. Whether it's the latest tech gadget, a stylish piece of clothing, or a home decor item, Temu's search function will help you track it down in no time. Once you find an item that piques your interest, click on it to get a closer look. On the product page, keep an eye out for the heart icon. You'll typically find this near the product's image or details. This little heart symbol is your ticket to saving the item for future reference. When you tap the heart icon, it will usually change color or become solid, signifying that the item has successfully been added to your favorites list. This feature is not just a time saver, it also ensures you never lose track of the items you've been eyeing. If you want to revisit your assortment of favorites later on, it's easy. Head over to your profile on the Temu platform. From your profile page, look for the favorites section. Here you will find a neatly organized list of all the items you've chosen to save. This handy feature allows you to conveniently review your selections, making it simple to revisit potential purchases or keep track of gift ideas. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to organize and streamline your shopping experience on Temu. It's a great way to manage your shopping interests and make informed decisions at your own pace. Remember, saving items to your favorites on Temu can be a game changer for staying organized and planning future buys. Enjoy your shopping and happy saving.